Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Nissan Sentra window, full guide. Start by gathering tools, screwdriver, trim tool, replacement regulator or motor, and safety glasses, then disconnect the battery to avoid shocks. Inspect the door panel fasteners and gently remove trim to expose the regulator. Test the switch and motor with a multimeter before removing the old assembly. Keep parts organized and take photos for reassembly. Begin diagnosis by testing the fuse and window switch for power, and listen for any motor noise when operating the switch. Remove the inner door panel carefully and inspect connections, motors, and regulator for obvious damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to confirm power at the motor when the switch is pressed. If the motor receives power, but the window doesn't move, the regulator or track is likely the issue and needs replacement. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which plays clear audio and lets you set timers or play repair playlists hands-free while you work, making tasks smoother and more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Support the glass with tape or a helper, then remove the bolts securing the regulator and lower the window to access mounting points. Disconnect the motor wiring and unbolt the old regulator, noting bolt locations and clips. Install the new regulator or motor, tighten bolts to firm snugness, and reconnect wiring. Test the window operation several times to ensure smooth travel, then reinstall the door panel and trim, and confirm all switches function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.